Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up volume discounts on Shopify. So once you're logged in into your admin panel or your admin on Shopify, you can go to this list panel and you can click on discounts. Here, you'll be able to set up some discounts and create some discounts, but those discounts are not volume discounts. So as you can see, you can choose some amount of products by X gives Y, amount of order, or free shipping. If you want to get a volume discount, you'll need to download an app. This app is paid. I'll show you other free option later. So as you can see, you can click on volume discounts here and create your discounts and your volume discounts. But as I said, this app is paid. So in order to get an app that can create you some volume discounts, you can go to this list panel and click, as you can see below apps, you can click on add. Here, make sure to click on Shopify App Store. Once you are here, you can look for volume discounts. So you'll find a lot of apps, just ignore the ad ones. And here, as you can see, this is the one that I showed you. And as you can see, here is it. There is one more like it. It has more rating. As you can see, if you want to use this one as well, you can see the description, what people say about it, what they have on the free option and stuff like that. And there is this free one. As you can see, it's totally free. So let's just go with the free one. And if we didn't like it, you can go and switch to any other one right here. So as you can see, the plan starts from $9 for here, and it starts from $10 from here. So as you can see, for me, I'm just going to install this one, click on install, and to create, of course, some volume discounts. So as you can see, here we are. So as you can see, once it's downloaded, I will find the Panda bundle as example widgets is not active. Let me just go and activate the button. Should be very easy. So it will take us right here to normally your app, and here we are. It is now like enabled. So I'm just going to click on save. They enable this manually, and here we are. Now we can go back. Let me just go and clear all those tabs that we don't need. I'll just go and refresh this page, and it should not show that anymore. So from here, you can create multiple volume discounts. It's totally up to you. So let's just go and build the volume discounts that we want. So you can choose the templates from the ones that they show you here. So there's the simple layout, minimal layout, horizontal layout, simple layout with fancy badges example, simple layout with free gifts, and simple layout with feature badge. So choose the one that suits you. As an example, let's just go with simple layout as a start. You'll have to give a name for this discount. For me, I'm just going to name it like discounts 1. So as an example, for the title, you can name it whatever you want. As example, it could be bundle and save that will be shown here, as you can see. So whatever title you added, it will be added there, or it will be shown there. So whether you want it to be active, which means this option will enable the templates. If disabled, this offer will not be shown. Or you want to even skip carts, and this option will skip the cart page and redirect the customer to the checkout page right away. So if you wanted to do it, just go and enable that. And you can even enable subscription if you want to, or if you don't want to, it's totally up to you. For the visibility, do you want to be on all products or specific products? All products expect like selected or specific collection. Maybe you created like a specific collection for the products that you want to add this volume discount to. So let's just go and choose specific collection. And I'm going to choose an example like this under $100 like products. Let me just go and click on add. So this collection, any products on this collection will be available for this volume discount. So here's an example. This is the basic of this. You can go to styles and example to change whatever you want, like the size, colors, title border size, bar styles, free gift size, selection styles, badge styles, a lot of things. And here we have blocks, as you can see, where you'll be able to edit anything there. And here we have advanced settings, a lot of things to be edited. So I'm not going to tell you what to do exactly because it's totally up to you. If you didn't understand anything, you can just go to this, as you can see, like exclamation mark, or sorry, question mark, and you will find, as you can see, the explanation of every option. Then you will understand, do you want to enable it or disable it? So it's totally up to you if you want it or not. So yeah, that's how you basically create your volume discounts. Now, once you add it, of course, to this collection, if you choose to add it to all products, it will be added to all products, and you should be now good to go. If you go, of course, you'll have to save at the top right or at the top. And once you save as example everything, so yeah, here we go. We can just go now to our online store, and you can, example, click on preview as example and see if the like discounts is applied to whatever collection you had. So as you can see, the bundle and save like volume discounts is added right here. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.